Fethu nayakhumbula the commission inquiry that was set up by Cyril Ramaphosa to look kwinto yama allegations that were made by General Mkhwanazi. That commission, it is alleged ukuthi those people are still continuing umsebenzi behind closed doors. It is also alleged ukuthi the witnesses are still being investigated, and it is alleged ukuthi it will only be in the public eye once the technical team has given a report back ukuthi when will everything be ready in terms of the infrastructure. And that's when Nati we will join in the live and see ukuthi what's happening. But okwamanje, it's just information that I have ukuthi commission is still continuing, ama witnesses are still being called. And abantu abaningi, they fear ukuthi when this is happening behind closed doors, it means ukuthi they are still cooking the evidence and they are still cooking into zabo, so that kube ngathi uMkhwanazi ayikho into ayikhulumayo. But kulena I have hope, because those 121 dockets that were taken by uMchunu noSibiya are back ezandleni zakaMkhwanazi, and I believe ukuthi those dockets will come in very handy the day kubizwa uGeneral Mkhwanazi. I just hope ukuthi when they call General Mkhwanazi, we will then be able to see it live, Nati, and hear our black president speak. But okwamanje, it's happening behind closed doors. Okwamanje, there's no media briefing about it. We just got informed ukuthi the witnesses are just being investigated. So you can share your comments, what you think. Should they continue ngayo lento lena behind closed doors, or should they wait until kufika ama technical teams wabo and say ukuthi infrastructure will be ready by this time, and then we can continue from that time? Do you fear ukuthi now maybe they are creating ama scripts for the witnesses ukuthi mele bathini, basho kanjani, and basho nokuthi abobani, but bangakhiphi yonke umuntu? You can just share your thoughts.